Introducing the 2022 Volvo Xc90 2.0 T8 Ultimate AWD. With 455 horsepower and a sleek black exterior, this vehicle is sure to turn heads. Packed with top-of-the-line comfort and convenience features like Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and climate control, every drive will be a luxurious experience. And when it comes to safety, the Xc90 has you covered with ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. But that's not all. This vehicle also boasts advanced technology like a 360 view camera, voice control, and a sunroof. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can trust that this car is as reliable as it is impressive. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie to learn more about the 2022 Volvo Xc90 2.0 T8 Ultimate AWD.